Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30053, the Republic Attack Cruiser. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I'm doing one of these videos a day, one of these Polybag build-alongs a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And I've also done one of these a day for the recent past. So if you like them, there's a decent number out there on my channel already. I think we're in the 130s. This might be like 137. Anyway, the description in the video will tell you for sure. Now, if you're interested in this particular polybag, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. I've also included a link to Brickset if you just wanted general information about the set and not the set itself. Alright, so there looks like there's a lot of stuff going on in each of these steps. Alright, this isn't a super... The set only has like 41 pieces, so it's not like a really big poly bag, but I'm hoping it looks kind of cool. I feel like it has potential. And it also seems like there's more larger pieces in this set than usual. Huh. You see that? That's kind of interesting. A couple of them got stuck together in the bag, so just to save myself a little hassle and popping this on in the end, I'm going to put these on right now for the back part of it. And I'm making the assumption, and I hope I'm right, I'm not going to pop these off in the end. But there's also going to be blue pieces here for the thrusters. So we'll do it like this and see. I'm pretty sure that's where it's going to go. That's what it looks like on the picture. But it'll just save us the hassle of having to fight with this when it's attached. So this is going to be our back piece. And it's going to go on right here, like so. Make sure of that. And then for this, you got that, and this. I wonder why it's a round one. Got that, and then we have a bunch of these pieces with the jumpers, or the jumpers. Got 5 of them, I think. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we got 5 in the row there. And then we also pop on a little bit and a little bit, like so. That gets us to there. And then I was right. There we go. They got right there. Alright, so jumper, and that, and then, oops, and this, and then like so, and 2 more of these in the front. So there's that, and then that's just sticking off the back. Not crazy about that. There's there. That goes there. So we got that, and then this. And it's sticking off the front. I guess maybe to get the look. That gets, actually doesn't look too bad. I guess do that. And then, like so. Okay, so I was concerned about this little piece right here, but we pick up a bit of extra support for it right there. And then, like so. And like so. No, that is backwards. Like so. That's right. And then this goes right here. Actually, doesn't look too bad. And then this goes on the top. Like that. Extra piece-wise. We got those two pieces left. It's kind of simplistic, but I think I like it. I don't know. What do y'all think? Okay? Not too bad? Does it look like a Republic attack cruiser? I think I like the look of it. I like this part right here, too. Where you have, like, it looks like they're, like, half tiles. I like that. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.